Kunenchereye moyo kweneki obokoreri obuya asinyagitari ao wananigo ababisa korase kaunti ya Homabay baganire serikali ye kaunti yo kobamentera abanyagitari ase chinyagitari cyo erinda kweneki bunankoligereri bale abaroire asenchira ebwenete kokwana nabaliki bamangana nigo baba bakweneki buna nigo asege kegetambe babeire bagutwara abanyagitari abake ase babeire bagutwara omuchando elikoligereria abaroire.
Homabay County has had shortages in staff for quite a long time, and it has been an issue. But with the ongoing improvement in our facilities and opening up of new departments and new facilities across the country, the shortage of health workers has been exacerbated. Right now we are having our dental unit fully functional, we are having our eye unit fully functional, and we are having drugs in our facilities coming in huge amounts, and because of this we now need many more doctors than we needed before. We are having our oncology unit and renal unit also functioning, and we also need dentists because now we've fully equipped the Rachuonyo South and the referral hospital dental unit, and we've been having our Sindo dental unit functional. So this has led to a massive shortage of medical officers, dentists, pharmacists, and also specialists. So we would like this addressed, and we would like this addressed urgently because we are also having high numbers of patients now having confidence in our public facilities and coming in large numbers.